Lamb. I absolutely love it. But for some reason, it's just not part of Singapore's cuisine. And I've always wondered why. Our taste buds have become fast friends with Asian and Western food alike. We eat our chicken, our beef, our pork, and all that seafood. But lamb just didn't quite make the cut. I want to change that. Lamb can be simple and delicious, trust me. And just in case you don't, at least trust my mom. Hey, I'm a good eater, but my mom is a fantastic cook. This is LMYR recipe. Kong Bak Bao, a very traditional Chinese dish, usually using pork belly. But today, we're gonna twist it up and we're gonna use lamb shoulder. It's gonna take away the fat, but it's still gonna provide a very meaty end dish. It's a dish I love eating that Mom cooks, and I ask her to cook it all the time when I have family and friends over. Another episode, another recipe, Mom.
Yeah.
So to my knowledge though, lamb isn't as fatty as pork. So there's no lamb belly equivalent. So we've taken the lamb shoulder a little bit higher up on the cut, but there's still a lot of meat there, a little bit of fat. It's close to the bones, there's a lot of flavor. It's gonna come out really well. And because it's higher up, we rolled it up so the mom has cut it so that it will fit nicely into the pao.
Correct.
Okay, Mom, tell us, what are the ingredients for this dish?
Right. We need lamb fillet. We have shallot, which we will slice and fry. And then we will crush the garlic. And then we have star anise. We have cloves. We have cinnamon stick. And then rock sugar. And after putting the dark soya in, we will add in the 5 spice powder and white pepper powder.
Great.
Right, son, I think we need to steam the pao. Can you please get the banana leaf from your garden?
Why?
Well, we need to line the basket and then for steaming.
Yes. Oh, very clever, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, Mom. Game changer, lah, my mom. Okay, I'll go do that. You set up the stove.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
You know, banana leaves have been used for centuries in cooking, whether as a plate or in a cooking process. And it's environmentally friendly, sustainable, but it also lends its flavor to the food that you're cooking. Okay, here we are, my banana leaf. Mom,
Oh,
banana leaf.
so bigger.
You ordered one, what?
Oh, wow.
So I'll wash it and I'll cut it for the basket, right?
Basket,
okay.
yeah.
I'll do it later though. Let's cook first.
Okay. And then next, I got to put in the shallot. Yeah, I put in the garlic now.
Okay.
Garlic tak cukup, please 3 more.
Okay, can.
Put the meat in
Yes,
without
the juice.
Don't break it up.
Wow, that cooks so fast. It's amazing.
I put the dark soya, 4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons.
Pour some water in here.
That looks excellent. Okay, I've got some more garlic for you, Mom. You want me to just add it in?
Yeah, add it in.
This is the agar-agar cooking. You felt like not enough,
Yeah.
so we added more in.
Then you put the star anise, the clove, the cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yeah. Spread it around.
1, 2, 3. Well, that was actually well done. Wow.
Put this one.
Okay.
Spread it around.
So this is the 5
5
spice
spice.
powder.
Yeah. Pepper not much. 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Spread it around. Rock sugar.
Rock sugar.
Put into the gravy.
Okay.
The rock sugar.
So
No, not. Yeah. First, if the taste later not enough, we can always add in.
Sure. Last one. 5.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so cover?
Cover, yeah. Let it simmer
Okay.
for about an hour, and then reduce the flame.
Yeah, keep going, keep going.
Okay.
Okay, beautiful. All right, well, I'll prepare the banana leaf.
Yeah.
Mom, why don't you sit down and have a bit of a rest,
Right.
and then we can come back and do the pao
Yeah.
towards the end, right?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now we are going to steam the pao.
Correct.
All right. What do you think?
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
Yeah?
Good.
Okay, better.
Yes.
Okay, pass. Okay. Okay, so in 8 minutes, we'll be able to plate up our lamb shoulder paos.
Yeah. Correct.
The moment of truth.
Yeah. Good.
Good.
Meat tender.
Tender.
Huh?
And you know, of course, a little bit different to the pork belly. There's a lot more fat in the pork belly.
More fat,
Which
yeah.
actually some people don't like.
It's true.
So when we get people coming over, they will actually strip that fat away
Yeah.
because they want more of the meat.
True,
So
yeah.
this is actually the perfect alternative
Alright.
because all you're getting is just fantastic, juicy, tasty meat
Yeah.
in every bite. Awesome.
I love to see the way you eat.
Oh. Want to get some
All
more of
the
this?
sauce.
Want to get some of this sauce though. When you got bread like that and you can get more sauce, that's what you want to do. Last bite.
Good. Good.
Mom, it's great.
Good.
Great. What are we gonna do
Yeah.
today?
All right, we're doing the lamb fillet pao.
Lamb, filet, bao. Must say like that, huh?
Mom would like to steam the pao later. Will you please go and get a banana leaf from the garden?
For what?
For what?
Yes.
To steam the pao. Or to line it.
You see, Mom, you have to explain because no one knows.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go, Mom. Come on. No, 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 no. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh,
No,
oh.
let's go, Mom.
I always forgot.
It's okay, no worries.
So it's either Mom doesn't actually listen to me, which I think is more that than anything else. It's like yeah, whatever. It's-